In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to anchor VWAP in TradingView. If you're not familiar with this tool, VWAP stands for Volume Weighted Average Price, and it can be a crucial component of your trading strategy. Anchoring VWAP allows you to attach it to a specific point on your chart, providing a tailored view of market information starting exactly where you need it. Let's dive in and explore how you can use anchored VWAPs efficiently in TradingView. To start, you'll need to open your TradingView chart. This is the canvas where you'll apply your analytical tools and strategies. Once you have the chart ready, turn your attention to the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see the Drawing Tools panel, which is your gateway to a wide range of charting instruments. Scroll through this panel to locate Anchored VWAP. If you're having trouble finding it, there's a handy search icon you can use to quickly pinpoint the tool. This feature can save you precious time, especially when the clock is ticking in the midst of market hours. Once you have found the Anchored VWAP tool, click on it. The next step requires a bit of thought and strategy. You will need to select the specific point on your chart where you want to anchor the VWAP. This might be a pivotal moment such as a swing high, an earnings date, or any other significant move that you believe is worth analyzing more deeply. Upon clicking this point, you'll notice a VWAP line that begins right where you anchored it, providing you with a clear, chronic track of price and volume from that moment onward. This can be extraordinarily insightful as it shows you the average price traders have paid, weighted by volume, starting from your chosen event. However, we're not done yet. The default settings might not fit your personal preferences or trading style, so let's make it truly your own. Simply double-click on the VWAP line to open the Settings menu. Here, you have the opportunity to customize various aspects of the line. You can change the color to match your charting aesthetics, adjust the thickness to enhance visibility, and tweak other display features so it aligns perfectly with the rest of your charting strategy. Customizing your VWAP line is more than just a visual preference. It's about creating a seamless trading experience where the tools and analysis mesh perfectly with how you interpret the market. And there you have it. Your anchored VWAP is all set up and tailored just for you. This process not only enriches your analysis, but also empowers you to make well-informed trading decisions. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. Mastering how to anchor VWAP in TradingView can significantly enhance your trading game. Make sure to practice this in your demo account or backtest on historical data to get a feel for its impact on your strategies before going live. Enjoy using your newly acquired skills, and here's to smarter trading.